Yeah, so if you've been following the build so far on the Barnyard S2000 that we're doing a full restoration over, the car is now apart. We took the engine and transmission out, degreased the motor, and then now we're going to degrease the engine bay, get it cleaned up, reseal the engine, change the clutch, and then put it all back together and put it in the car. If you need any parts for your S2000, feel free to visit our website at www.opulenceimports.com. We also have an eBay store, Opulence_61. You can follow our Instagram page at Opulence_Imports LLC, and also our YouTube channel at Opulence Imports LLC. And here are some of the parts that we have in inventory.